I'm Nigel, and we're going for a drive. I've been doing about a week of driving, nothing crazy, no breaking the speed limit, sir. And I gotta say, this is an improvement. The steering is razor sharp. It was good before, but man, it is great now. And the general handling has improved by a large extent. I think most of the time you don't notice it. Where is my camera pointing? Camera, point at me. Most of the time you don't notice it, but when you do, you do. I don't want to sound like a guy who knows what he's talking about, but it feels a lot more connected to the road. It feels like it goes where you point it. I think that's a combination of the steering improvements and the general chassis improvements. Roundabouts are way more fun. And that was fairly good timing, because here's one right now. So money well spent? Yeah, I don't think there's any question there. The next question is, what do I do next?